Anyway, so let's see what we can figure out here. Maybe, hey, if we put them too high, 2 as in number 2, maybe we could come up above the fire and be wide enough for my little pot. This is a good idea. I shouldn't be so surprised, of course. Let's go up one more. Okay, here we go. Look at that. That was ingenious. Good job, Nancy. Good job. Hey, wait, why is that higher? Can it be higher? Won't work. How do we fix this? Oh. Just for fun. Okay, what do you think? I think I'll do my tea. Wait a minute, let's lower it now. Oh, isn't that interesting? You don't want it spinning. Well, I guess that piece is not a 2x4 from the lumber mill, or from the sawmill. It's a higher piece. See, this one is thicker. It's a sawmill place. I think. No, it's just not going to be level. Okay, there we go. Now I'll sit here in my smoke. Oh, wait. There we go. You can't see me. Look at that. Here you are recording me, and you can't even see me. But you can see the pot getting ready to boil. Jeepers, this is a lot of smoke coming up. My whole thing is going to start burning, isn't it? Oh no. Then what will I do? I should worry. I should fret and plan. Planning isn't an easy thing for me. I don't really plan. And you know why? It's a right brain, left brain thing. And I didn't know that. There. Now, can you see the fire and me? Let's see, I have to drop you down again. I'm always having to be dropped down. Okay. We're going down easy. There we go. Okay. Now what's happening? We got the fire. And we have Nancy. Isn't that going to be exciting? Yes, it is. You're so happy about that, aren't you? I'll just go around the smoke tower. The column of smoke. Oh. There's a song about when the smoke gets in your eyes. See, if it's going to rain, if it's not going to rain for 12 hours, the smoke will go straight up. Hi. I know you can't see me. Just imagine how I feel not being able to see you. Oh, it's nice that you could be here in my teepee with me. I do have to do all the talking, of course, but then I usually do all the talking. At least with you, there's somebody to listen. Right? And if you don't watch, I won't know. I don't bother to go back and see the number of views. Well, I do a little bit. Before I upload the next one, I don't upload it if there's... Yeah, I do. I used to upload 10 a day. So nobody would watch them all. So a lot of good videos got really few hits. I mean good videos that were like worked on. But I suppose over time those videos get found. Nancy, don't do silly things. I think it's safer down there sitting on everything. See, if this were up higher and that were up higher, or if these were down lower, then I could take off that extra one. Oh, well, look, my tea is starting to change color. It must be working. It must be working. I know most people... Oh, you can't see it. You're still too high. Oh my goodness, let me take care of you once again. I didn't know you'd like to sit on the floor. Next time I'll remember. Well, just a minute. I know you were in my shoulder. There. It's gonna be okay. Oh, my little baby. Uh-oh, don't fall. It's okay. Oh, there. Is that better? Were you scared? Okay. Now, if you back up a little bit, then we can see the bowl and me. Oh, a little more, because I'm going to be back there where that chair is, you see. Just scoot you back. And see if we can get the top of the chair, too. Look at that. I think we've done it. By George, I think she's done it. Hey, in all that playing, my water spilled. Oh, I did it. Did you know I had hip replacement surgery? Let's see, what's today? Who knows? No idea. It's but the 24th weekend was last weekend. 22, 23, 24, 25. I don't know. Maybe it's the 27th of May. I don't know what that's all about. I mean, isn't May supposed to last forever? We look forward to it for a long time. Anyway, May's got lots of bugs. And we had a month of rain. You know, being able to see the fire and see me at the same time might not be possible. Hey, there's room on this video, though, to put the fire to the side. Okay, let's have another go at this. Are you getting tired of this yet? And just hold still, you'll be fine. It's not gonna hurt you. Lock your feet in place so they don't start rising up. Okay, so if we did that, look at that. Now we can see both. Uh-huh. I'll have to go around this thing now. Around, and there we go. Can you see me still? I can sit there. So if today is the 27th, let's say it's all of May. all of April minus a week. That's usually 8 weeks or 9 weeks. 8 weeks. Minus 1 is 7, so 7 weeks ago. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 days ago. And I'm doing pretty good. I still have trouble doing tons of gardening. My back hurts if I bend too far and all that. But I don't have to worry about my hips at the same time. I've been gardening, you know, trying to get that grass out. I've just been sticking the fork in and twisting it. Sticking it in and twisting it. Sometimes you have to stick it in, bend it back, and then stand it up and twist it. And if you put a log there and you put your fork in and then you have that log as a fulcrum, you can pull back on the handle. You know, we forget about our tool-making skills. The fulcrum. Is that the thing in the middle, like a triangle under a seesaw? The lever. Lever and fulcrum. Are those two things? We do use the wheel a lot. But I think when we have to solve problems, we don't think about using a fulcrum or what is the other one? A lever. So we don't usually think about losing a lever when we want to lift the front of something. I never think of that. I would think of pulling from the back of it to lift the front, but then you can't work there. But if you have a lever, if you stick like a board under it with a fulcrum, which is the log underneath, or maybe something that's not going to slip, that's maybe laying on a towel or flat or something, and then you push down on your stick, and the front will lift, and you're still at the front, so you can put things under it. Isn't that cool? But see, we don't think of that. Those are simple tools. This was like from way long ago, before we had the mechanized industry, and you know, back when you had colonialization and you didn't have stores. Pioneer life. But we forget about that because we have, you know, like we have that lift thing. You stick it under and you pull it back. Well, that's good enough. And then away you go. But you know what's happening? You've got your lever is the bottom and your fulcrum are the wheels. And so it's the same as this. You see me. What? I put that camera and now you're completely lost. I can only do so much. You're just going to have to cope. Pray that the wind blows. Oh, well, not at me. I'll pray too that it goes straight up. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It's going straight up now. Somebody else is praying for it to go this way. I know. I can see what's up. You can't fool me. My mugs are so awesome, and yet the really awesome ones are put away, and the not so awesome, like Starbucks for New York, the New York City skyline. I think it's after the towers. That's quite a thing. It's like a major thing in the history, you know. Huge. It's the first strike against America on American soil. Amazing, eh? There go los neighbors. How do you say neighbors in Spanish? Those. The next door neighbors. La próxima casa. The next house. Los hombres de la próxima casa. The people from la gente. La gente, the public. De la próxima casa. Hey, I figured it out. But there must be a word for neighbor. See, that's my problem. I get to Mexico and I start spewing off in Spanish. And then, you know, this is really good to be able to just say what I want to say and not interrupt somebody that's not very interested. Or, you know, there's just an amount to be said for just talking, just being with you. Some people would call it being alone, but I'm not alone because